We have the round sphere light.
You're looking to dress up your landscape, door front, side, hallway, staircase. This is a 7-inch sphere, glass with a black fixture light, maximum 60-watt light bulb for your lighting needs. We're going to show you what this is about, how to set it up, and what you get inside the box. Company FlyBling is a Zanrite lit, nicely protected by foam. Check online for further detail. They make the round sphere 7 and 9 inches. Remember to remove the foam and also install the bottom point decoration. Remove the star washer and the nut and place on. The sphere is a tinted glass, round 7 inches. You have your bracket inside and your wiring. A bulb is not included. Supply your own bulb. Carefully remove the screws and remove the glass bulb. Supply a maximum of a 60-watt bulb. And on the bottom, remove the nut and star washer. Place the bottom on and lock down. Reassemble by placing in your bulb and pushing up, aligning the hole and locking back down. On the main frame, remove the bell housing nuts, pull out the bracket. Find a location where you're hooking up your fixture and start to lock down. Attach your loads and neutrals, your ground, place back on, test the light, and in the evening hours we'll come and show you what it looks like.
We have the round sphere light. It's got the design that gives all different type of little accents. And it's 7 inches. They also make a 9-inch. Looking from above and on the side. Decorate your house, landscape, front door, back door, by the gazebo. Anywhere that you need to hang a light, by your entryway. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.